dear learners. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jake. Today, we are at the airport. We will learn useful English for traveling.
Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. It helps us make more lessons for you.
Yes, please subscribe if you want to improve your English with us. Now, let's get ready for our trip.
Jake, do you know how to check in at the airport?
Not really. I get a little nervous. Can you help me?
Of course. When you get to the check-in counter, you can say, "Hello, I have a flight to New York. Can I check in here?"
Hello, I have a flight to New York. Can I check in here?
Perfect. Then, the staff might ask you, "Can I have your passport and ticket, please?"
How do I say that?
You don't need to say it. They will ask you. You just give your passport and ticket, but you can say, "Here you go," when you give them.
Here you go. Got it.
Good. Next, they might ask, "How many bags are you checking in?"
How do I answer?
You can say, "Just one suitcase," or "I have 2 bags."
Okay, just one suitcase.
Yes. After that, you will get your boarding pass. You can say, "Can I have my boarding pass, please?"
Can I have my boarding pass, please? Sounds polite.
Exactly. Then, look at your boarding pass carefully. It tells you your gate number and boarding time.
What is a gate?
The gate is the door where you get on the plane.
Ah, I see. So I should go to the gate at the right time?
Yes, the boarding time tells you when to go. If you arrive late, you might miss your flight.
I don't want that to happen. Thank you, Sophia.
You're welcome. Now, let's practice one more time. Pretend I'm the staff. You say the sentences and I will reply.
Okay. Hello, I have a flight to New York. Can I check in here?
Yes, please. Can I have your passport and ticket?
Here you go.
How many bags are you checking in?
Just one suitcase.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is 12B. Boarding starts at 3:30 p.m.
Thank you very much.
Excellent. You did great.
Sophia, after check-in, what do I do next?
Next, you go through security. That's where they check your bags and body before you go to the gate.
Oh, security. That part makes me nervous too.
Don't worry. It's easy if you follow the steps. First, you wait in line. Then, you show your passport and boarding pass again.
So I need to keep my passport and boarding pass in my hand?
Yes, exactly. Don't put them in your bag. Keep them ready.
What happens after that?
You go to the scanner. You put your carry-on bag on a belt. It goes through a machine that checks what's inside.
What's a carry-on bag?
It's the small bag you take with you on the plane, not the big one you checked in.
Ah, okay. What should I say at security?
Usually, you don't need to say much, but sometimes they say, "Please take off your shoes," or "Take your laptop out of the bag."
What should I say if I don't understand?
You can say, "Sorry, can you repeat that, please?" Or, "Can you say that again slowly?"
That's helpful. Can you say it again?
Sure. "Sorry, can you repeat that, please?"
Sorry, can you repeat that, please? Got it.
Or, "Can you say that again slowly?"
Can you say that again slowly? These will help me a lot.
Definitely. Also, they may ask, "Do you have any liquids?"
What should I say?
You can say, "No, I don't," or "Yes, I have a small bottle of water, but remember, you can't take big bottles of liquid on the plane."
I'll remember that. No big liquids in my bag.
Right. And after they check your bag and you walk through the body scanner, you are done.
Great! What if the alarm beeps?
Then you stop and let the officer check you. Just stay calm and follow instructions.
All right, so I just stay calm and polite.
Exactly. Now let's practice a few questions you might hear.
Sure.
Please remove your jacket.
Okay.
Take out your laptop, please.
Sure.
Do you have any liquids in your bag?
No, I don't.
Perfect, Jake. You're ready for airport security now.
Okay, Sophia. I finished security.
What's next?
Now you go to your gate and wait for boarding.
How do I find my gate?
Look at the signs in the airport. They usually show directions like A1, B5, or C12. Check your boarding pass.
My gate is 12B.
Great! Just follow the signs that lead to gate 12B.
What should I say if I can't find it?
You can ask someone, "Excuse me, where is gate 12B?"
Excuse me? Where is gate 12B? That's easy.
Yes, you can also say, "How do I get to gate 12B?" Both are okay.
What if I'm hungry? Can I eat before boarding?
Of course. Airports have cafes and restaurants. You can say, "Can I see the menu, please?" Or, "I'd like a coffee."
I love airport coffee. It's part of the travel mood.
True. Just don't forget the time. Always listen for announcements.
What kind of announcements?
They say things like, "Flight 22 to New York is now boarding at gate 12B."
So when I hear that, I go to the gate.
Yes, you line up, show your passport and boarding pass again, and walk to the plane.
Do I need to say anything there?
Just hello or thank you. It's simple. They will guide you.
This is starting to feel easy.
Yes, travel English is all about practice. Now you're almost on the plane.
Sophia, I'm on the plane now. What do I do next?
First, find your seat. Your seat number is on your boarding pass.
Mine says 14A.
Then look for row 14 and seat A. The letters show if it's a window or aisle seat.
What's an aisle seat?
Aisle means next to the walkway. Window means next to the window. Middle is in between.
I like window seats. I can see the clouds.
Me too. After you find your seat, put your bag in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you.
Should I talk to the flight attendants?
If you need help, yes, you can say, "Excuse me, can I ask something?" Or, "Can I have a blanket, please?"
And if I'm thirsty?
Wait until the drinks come. Then you can say, "I'd like some water," or, "Can I have orange juice?"
That's easy. What if I don't understand what they ask?
You can say, "Sorry, I didn't understand. Can you repeat, please?"
Good tip. What about seatbelts?
Fasten your seatbelt when the sign is on. It means you must stay seated.
What if I want to go to the toilet?
Wait until the seatbelt sign is off. Then go. You can ask, "Where is the restroom?" if you don't see it.
I feel more confident now.
That's great. Flying becomes easy when you know the words.
Sophia, the flight is so smooth. I'm enjoying it.
I'm glad. Sometimes the flight attendants will give you a form to fill out.
A form? What kind of form?
It's usually a customs or immigration form. You write your name, passport number, flight number, and reason for your visit.
Oh, I see. What should I write for reason?
You can write tourism, business, or study, depending on why you are traveling.
Do I need a pen?
Yes, always carry a pen when you travel. It helps you fill out forms on the plane.
Thanks. I'll remember that next time.
Now, when the plane lands, wait until the seatbelt sign turns off. Then you can stand up and take your bag.
What happens after I leave the plane?
You will go to passport control. You show your passport to the officer.
What do they ask?
Simple questions like, "Why are you here?" or "How long will you stay?"
What should I say?
Be honest and clear. For example, "I'm here for vacation," or "I'll stay for 2 weeks."
That sounds easy enough.
Yes. After that, you go to baggage claim to get your suitcase.
Baggage claim?
Yes. That's the area where bags come out on a belt. Look at the screens to see which belt your flight is on.
What if I can't find my bag?
Go to the help desk and say, "Excuse me, I can't find my bag." They will help you.
Sophia, I got my suitcase. What's next?
Now you go through customs.
Customs? What is that?
It's where officers check if you're bringing anything illegal or too expensive into the country.
What do I have to do?
Usually there are two lines or doors. One is green and one is red.
What's the difference?
Green means you have nothing to declare. Red means you have something to declare.
What does declare mean?
It means you tell the officer if you're carrying items like alcohol, cash, or goods over the limit.
I only have my clothes and a laptop.
Then you go through the green channel. You don't need to say anything. Just walk through.
What if they stop me?
Stay calm. They may ask, "What are you bringing into the country?"
What should I say?
Just say, "I have personal items. Nothing to declare."
I have personal items. Nothing to declare. Okay, I'll remember that.
Great! After customs, you go out to the arrival area.
Is that where people wait for you?
Yes, if someone is picking you up, they will be there. If not, you can take a taxi, bus, or train.
What should I say to a taxi driver?
Say, "Hello, can you take me to this address?" and show them your hotel or destination.
That's easy. I think I can do it.
You've learned a lot today, Jake.
Yes, I feel ready to travel now. Sophia, thank you so much for helping me today. I learned so many useful things.
You're welcome, Jake. I'm proud of you. You now know how to check in, go through security, board the plane, and go through customs.
Yes, I feel more confident now. Can we review the most important phrases one more time?
Of course. Let's go over them together. Repeat after me. I have a flight to New York. Can I check in here?
I have a flight to New York. Can I check in here?
Here you go.
Here you go.
How many bags can I check in?
How many bags can I check in?
Can I have my boarding pass, please?
Can I have my boarding pass, please?
Excuse me, where is gate 12B?
Excuse me, where is gate 12B?
Can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a coffee, please?
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
I have personal items, nothing to declare.
I have personal items, nothing to declare.
Excellent. These phrases will help you in many airports around the world.
I'll practice them again later. I really want to travel more now.
That's the spirit. And remember, the more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Thanks again, Sophia, and thank you to everyone listening.
Yes, dear learners, thank you for joining us today.
If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Chill English channel for more real-life English conversations.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now, and safe travels!